Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is a market update for March 15, 2022. Sorry I missed you on a weekly market forecast over the weekend because we have a big conference in Las Vegas for our member as Stock Navigators. The market continues to trade in the extremely high volatility range. As you can see, up to this point, the commodity have been a red hot for this year and they are on the top of the ranking. Much of the recent surge in the commodity can be attributed to the conflict of Ukraine and Russia and the result of economic sanctions. But we have seen many of commodity they give back this gain over the last few trading sessions. So the crude oil and gold future have now pulled back to the level seen in February. So despite the sharp pullback, and you can see that those stocks are still looking strong from the long-term perspective, and many commodities and the commodity-related stocks were heavily pulled back, and now it still have potential to move up in the future. So as you can see that oil and gas, in the commodity were the strongest due to the Russia and Ukraine conflict. And couple of stocks that you can see that they are doing very well for the last couple months. Now they pull back, so the momentum is still upside. So those stocks are still very strong and they have potential to continue to bounce back up again. As you can see, there's a couple of symbols show you here: EOG, DVN, RYE. And you can also see that the depleted metal space like Newman Corp, right, and EM, okay, they are still pull back and very strong about there. FCX, that's another one that they try to pull back to the support. And you can see another sector, agriculture, it's also very strong in the group of commodity market. So you can see some stock like MOS, right, CTVA, right, and ADM, for example. So those stocks it continue to pull back to the support and looking for a strong move again. So now let's take a look on the overall indices so that we can see where we are. So look at the S&P 500. As you can see that in February 24, 2022, so where they pull back down to 41.05 level here, and they push it back up. Now that come back, they retest it. If this area is hold, we can see it a short-term bounce to the upside again. And if you look at the Nasdaq it also pull back, found a support. And if they keep this momentum for tomorrow, we're also looking for the push it back to the upside also. The Russell 2000 is still sideways here, but they also found a support. So in the next couple of days here, let's see how the market be able to continue and push it up. So tomorrow also a FOMC day. So let's see how much interest they are going to announce that can create the volatility for tomorrow trading. So you have to be careful. But I think the interest rate already factor into the equation already. So if the number is in line with what people expected, and then the market you have a chance to put it back up. The Dow it also found a support. Now they're looking for another leg up here. And if you looking at the crude oil they are hit to the top line warning last week for you that you have to be careful because they are very overbought. So now they have to pull back because OPEC they will continue to pump more oil. So this one here pull back down. Anything at strong move, you have to watch out because they can pull back very quickly, like I warned you last week. And gold it also fell off from the top. Now they pull back down. Okay, the euro it pulled back down. They found some support. Now they're looking for another leg high to the upside. If you look at the Bitcoin, they still sideways here, but seem like they have a strong support here. As long as they can hold on to this level, they will break out of our trend line. They will find a way to put it back up. Right now, it's still sideways in this range here, but when they can clear this area here, it's more momentum to put it up to the upside in the future. Ethereum, it also found a support at this area here. We need more follow through in order to put it up and then move it up to the upside. You need to clear this downtrend line here also. If you look into the 11 sector of the S&P 500, you can see that the XLB, which is the material sector, they also found the double bottom support. Now, if they can clear the downtrend line here, they will continue to push it back up. And a lot of stock like I just show you, actually FCX, NEM, so though they pull back, found a support, and now they're looking for the way to put it up again. XLC, which is the communication sector, they are very bad. They are come down. It's a long way. Now they are down over here. But I think they are hit to the level of very oversold right now. So we will expect to see something bow also to the upside. Okay, so just watch out. Let me see here a couple of stocks. Let's see if they're able to hold on here. Like Disney, right? Facebook, probably it's the death get bow here. And Google, okay, they also have a strong support in this area here. The energy sector definitely is the red hot one, but they pull back down. They have a strong support here. So let's see it. They will try to put it back up to fill up the gap here on the way back up to the top again. Okay, but watch out for the gap fill here at this level. And a lot of stock, have been pulled back down strong, like ExxonMobil, PDX, okay, PXD, okay, this one it also found a support. XY, okay, that's another one. It's very strong. They pull back a little bit, but they hold tight to the upside. Next one is the financial sector. Financial sector also pull back down. They are still rainbow here. They have a strong buy zone here. So in the short term, they're looking for they retrade back to the top. A lot of stock here like SCSW. Okay, so they try to find a way back there. American Express. That's another potential to push it back up. JB Morgan. Okay. So this one another bottom fishing. Okay. If they can put it back up, this is the first resistance level there. If you look at the industrial sector, it's the XLY, and you can see that they pull back down, push back up, pull back down, but now they're looking for the next leg up here. So you can see a lot of strong stock there with a good discount. They crawl back up like Catibella, UNP, right? UPS, for example. Okay, Honeywell. Okay, so those stocks they stabilize and looking for to move up here. XLK, which is the technology, they also found a support in the buy zone here. So we're looking for some kind of bouncing back up here. A lot of stock in this sector, a strong one like Avo, right? They also hold tight there. MSFT, Microsoft. Let me see here. MSFT. Okay. Microsoft, they hold very tight here and looking for a rebound to the upside. NVIDIA, that's another strong semiconductor. They stabilize here, looking forward to move up to the upside there. Okay, and XLP, which is the consumer table, I think they found support here, looking to put it back up, and you can see that couple of stocks like Coca-Cola, right? Austria, it also put it back up, and COSD, that's another strong one there. Okay, the real estate, it also tried to go sideways here, so this one is still sideways and did be able to break out before they move up, but some of the good stock is still the bottom fishing here. That's the AMT, PLD, right? So those stocks they try to find a way to put it back up there. The energy, the utility sector is still pretty strong. They are even though they are still sideways here, but they're looking for something to break out here. So just watch out for a lot of stocks like some of the good ones like NEE. Okay, NEE. Okay, so this one here pretty strong there. The UK, right? Let's see, they try to find a way to break out. The VN. Okay, so those stocks are strong stock in utility sector. And XLV, which is the healthcare, it gained some momentum this morning. Looking forward to punch to this level and go higher. And you can have some stock like Johnson Johnson, right? Pretty strong back out there. UNH, right? Okay, so those stocks they try to find a way to put it to the upside. The last one is the XLY. XLY it consumer discretionary it have a strong downturn here, but they have been hold up very well at this level. Or we were looking for another level to break out the downtrend line here, so we can have some short-term bounce to the upside. Some of the stock there strong in this sector like Tesla, right? McDonald's, right? Low. Okay, so those stocks they are looking forward to put it up again. So beside this stock, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick many stocks daily and analyze in detail with the entry target so that you can follow. So that's all I have for you at this moment. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. So please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching, and then just looking for those stocks, if the market potential to put it up. So those bottom fishing here will help you to put it up and make some short-term profit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.